Did you know that the average American consumes about 152 pounds of sugar each year? That's like eating an entire baby elephant's worth of sugar. For diabetics, that's a real problem. But don't worry, today we're diving into some awesome low-sugar products that can help manage your health without sacrificing taste. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you or someone you love is diabetic, you know how tricky it can be to find tasty foods that won't spike blood sugar levels. Today, we're talking about the top 5 low-sugar products that not only taste great but can also make a huge difference in your daily life. So, let's jump right in. Presentation of problem/challenge. Alright, let's get real for a second. For diabetics, navigating food choices can feel like an obstacle course. Sugar is hidden in so many unexpected places, from sauces to snacks, and it can be hard to keep those blood sugar levels in check. The cravings for sweet treats can be intense, and the struggle to find satisfying alternatives can be overwhelming. This is why it's super important to have a list of go-to low-sugar products that can help you enjoy your meals without the guilt or the health risks. So, what are some of these lifesavers? Let's find out. Exploration/development. First up on our list is stevia, a natural sweetener that's gaining popularity. It's derived from the leaves of the stevia plant and is 0 calories, which makes it a perfect sugar alternative for baking or sweetening your drinks. Just remember, a little goes a long way, so start with a small pinch. Next, we have chia seed pudding. Sounds fancy, right? But it's super easy to make. Just mix chia seeds with almond milk and let it sit overnight. You can flavor it with vanilla or berries, and it's packed with fiber and omega-3s, making it a perfect breakfast option that will keep you full. Coming in at number 3 is the amazing Greek yogurt. It's thicker and creamier than regular yogurt and has less sugar. Opt for the unsweetened versions and add your own berries or nuts for a delicious, satisfying snack that's loaded with protein. And how about a snack? Enter beef jerky. This isn't just for road trips anymore. Look for brands that offer low-sugar options, and you'll have a tasty protein-packed snack that fits perfectly into your meal plan. Just make sure to check the labels. Last but not least, we can't forget about dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me. Dark chocolate with at least 70% cocoa has less sugar and is rich in antioxidants. A small piece can satisfy your sweet tooth without sending your blood sugar on a roller coaster ride. Climax/key moment. Now, let's talk about a product that really stands out, cauliflower rice. Yep, you heard me right. This innovative alternative to regular rice is not only low in carbs but also super versatile. You can use it in stir-fries, as a base for your favorite dishes, or even in tacos. It's an amazing way to cut down on sugar and carbs while still enjoying comfort food. Plus, it's packed with nutrients and fiber. Talk about a win-win. Conclusion/summary. So there you have it, folks. We've covered 5 fantastic low-sugar products: stevia, chia seed pudding, Greek yogurt, beef jerky, and dark chocolate, plus the surprising hero, cauliflower rice. These products can really help diabetics manage their diet while still enjoying delicious meals and snacks. Remember, making small changes can lead to big improvements in your health. Call to action, CTA. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite low-sugar products? Drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and check out my other videos for more awesome health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.